This November only, get a free sturdy bucket with handy seat lid with the purchase of our Detailer's Choice Kit. This is a limited quantity offer, so claim your bucket seat while you can. The Detailer's Choice Kit is your all-in-one solution to maintain a showroom quality vehicle. Your kit includes the following essential components: a 16-ounce bottle of metal pre-clean, a 1-pound can of Flitz paste polish, 2 1000 grit abrasive pads, 2 16x16-inch microfiber cloths, a large 5-inch buff ball, a medium 3-inch buff ball, an extra large 7-inch buff ball, a small 2-inch buff ball, an 8-ounce bottle of Flitz ceramic sealant. As mentioned, everything comes neatly packed in a sturdy bucket with a handy seat lid. Now you have a comfortable spot to tackle those challenging, low-to-reach tasks. That's the Detailer's Choice Kit, now with a seated bucket at no extra charge. Available only on Flitz.com while supplies last.